I'm back for day 4. Today is the first day of spring, so I'm coming to you and we're going to do a little bit of science reading about plants. And I've got the Beatles playing in the background. Here comes the sun because we really need the sun in our lives. So let's get started. Plants. Think and discuss. What plants do you see and what parts do they have? So over here, let's see if we can get it here. We have a bush. We have some flowers. We have some leaves and a fruit tree. Over here, we have the fruit tree, sunflower seeds, lettuce plants, strawberry plants, tomato plants. Leaves. Most plants have leaves. These trees have leaves. These water lilies have leaves. These plants have leaves. Flowers. Many plants have flowers. This bush has flowers. This plant has flowers. This tree has flowers. Fruit. Some plants have fruit. This tree has fruit. This vine has fruit. This bush has fruit. This plant has fruit. I love strawberries. Growing and changing. All plants grow and change. Most plants grow from seeds. So we have strawberry seeds, which grow into strawberry plants, which have strawberry flowers, which then turn into strawberries. And the cycle goes around again because those fruits turn into, have seeds in them, and you can go back around the cycle again. So the cycle of a plant. Use what you have learned. Look at these plants now. What changes do you see? So our garden is very full here. We have apple trees, lettuce plants, leaves, lemon trees, sunflowers, tomato plants, and strawberry plants. And here's our picture glossary with our flowers, our fruit, our plants, our leaves, and our seeds. And I thought I'd read you a little bit of information that I found out about spring. So let me pull it up here. So the first day of spring is today. On this day, the day and the nighttime are equal in length. Spring brings many changes to Earth. Springtime brings on changes in the weather. Days get longer, nights get shorter. This makes the weather warmer. Springtime also brings more rain, which we're seeing a lot of the past couple of days. In the winter, plants are dormant. This means that they're kind of just sleeping underground for now. The warm temperatures and rain help them to wake up from winter. The grass turns green, trees grow, buds and flowers bloom, and animals also change in the spring. All of the new plants provide food for these animals. Animals that have hibernated during the winter wake up. Animals that migrated for the winter return to their homes. Many animals build homes and have babies. I love spring because of all the baby animals, the little chicks and the little baby deer with their spots. Springtime is a time of life. Plants and animals change as spring begins. As days get longer and warmer, the world wakes up from its long winter nap. And I also printed some quotes. I love quotes very much. They make me happy and they make me feel good and they make me think. So I have a couple of quotes here. This first one says, "Where flowers bloom, so does hope," by Lady Bird Johnson. This one says, "No winter lasts forever and no spring skips its turn." And then I also printed some pictures I put up our new spring wall outside of our classroom, and instead of walking out there, I just kind of showed you the pictures of a seedling. So that's when a seed first starts to grow. And then it turns into a flower, which turns into a mature plant, and then it starts bearing fruit. This shows the parts of a plant. We have the stem, the roots, the flower, and the leaves. And I'll post these on the Facebook page on that Lincoln shares every day, and you can read what these parts are all about and what they do for this plant. This is a process called photosynthesis. It's when the sun gives its energy to a plant and what exactly happens through the process of photosynthesis. So that would be something really cool to look up on YouTube and learn about for science. And then finally, the last thing I wanted to show you was our little decor outside of our room, and it says, when we learn, we grow. And this is so important for you to remember. Please keep learning. Have a good first day of spring. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I really hope I see you soon.